Ward service, open the door! Ward service, open the door! Let me see your hands. Step back. Step back. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Go down your knees.
Alex? Hey, Alex.
Why are we on camera? Turn the camera on. I did not. I have teacher started the fight.
Okay, well, I suggest...
Died on June 14th of 2018.
You got right there, please. Step back. Ward service, step back. What's your name?
Gracie?
What's your name?
John Floyd.
Open the door! You're gonna get shot! Open the door! Stand outside. Everything's okay. Stand outside.
Come out.
Outside, put your hands up against the vehicle.
So the house on this one is just up the hill. It is going to be a big old mansion that we're going to. This chick is out on multiple drug charges.
Possession schedule 3, 4, 5. And you said that the mother had previously said she was going to help you, and then
Yep.
she reneged on it.
Yes. So the mom was talking with the bondsman
Yeah.
and was like, yeah, I'll do it. And then, she got too busy. So
Got too busy.
let me see what I can do, and I'll get back to you. The bondsman says, okay. And she won't come over here today, says she got busy.
So where is she? Won't come over here. I wonder if she's in Louisville with the other address.
So this is the house on file. This is also the co-signer, Christy.
Yep.
So we gotta go mess with her. So this is the grandma of the children,
Okay.
and she normally watches the children all the time. So she knows how to get a hold of her daughter.
Rip.
Yeah.
Run a plate and see if it comes back to the proper address. There's a lot of cars for no one to be home.
Yeah, confirm. Our dispatch just confirmed that the vehicle that we ran the plates on is registered to the address that we have in question for our fugitive.
This is the bail bonds company. Please come to the door and speak with us.
That's good. All right.
Resident of 9845. This is the bail bonds company. Please come to the front door to speak with us.
We had movement in the upper window.
You see shadow or some person?
Two person with their arms like they're trying to cover up.
Are we able to? Do we have the authority to take
There's a person right there.
We see you inside. Resident of 9845. Please come to the front door and speak with us. Resident of 9845, we know you're inside. We're not leaving. Please come down to the door and speak with us.
Right at the front door.
Hi, sorry to wake you up.
Yeah, she's not here. She's on the run, living in a truck with her boyfriend.
Okay, do you know what kind of truck, license plate, anything like
I
that?
don't have a plate. I know that there's two different trucks. One is, they're both Nissan Titans. One is silver, one is burgundy.
Do you know what year?
They're like new.
Do you think she's just like sick of running and just like doesn't want to deal with it? Because if you just have a heart to heart with her, just tell her, hey, listen, let's just clear it up and get it done with. Just get it done with.
She's got kids.
It's bullshit. It's just like a little bullshit
You know,
possession charge.
Yeah,
She's a
it's-
mom. They're not going to look to lock her up.
Yeah,
But
it's-
this is not how. This is going to make her look bad.
Yeah.
This is making her look really bad.
Oh, I know, and I've
It's-
told her, I have begged her, just, get your shit together and turn yourself in and do what you gotta do and get out and get your act
Who is
together.
she staying?
Yeah.
Huh?
Who is she hanging out with?
Her boyfriend Alex,
know
and
what kind
he's homeless. Here, step in here, guys, if we're just quiet, we don't wake everybody up. It's like, and then she's telling me these horror stories of them being chased by the cops. Oh, quick, turn your scanner on, Mom. Turn the scanner on your phones and listen and see where are they going, what direction. I'm like, are you kidding me?
And that's just got to kill you inside.
Oh, it does. It's terrible. It's happening there. tonight the phone's gonna ring and she's gonna be the one that's admitted.
Right.
You know, I keep...
Hopefully we can pick her up and make that a less likely occurrence.
Every single day I pray she goes to jail and gets locked up for a while.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure out who you are.
Oh, we're bail enforcement agents.
Okay.
And so this young lady's on bond, and we're trying to locate her and help her clean up her life a little bit.
So you're not like the police, federal agents?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We're just bounty hunters.
Okay, should I be scared?
No, ma'am.
No. You're
Absolutely
okay.
not.
Okay, because you freaked me out.
I apologize.
We apologize for
I know
that.
it's late at night. Anybody show up at your door, it's going to freak you out.
Yeah.
And, you know, young girl,
I
she's...
don't even have the right address.
I'm sorry? Yeah, there's no house numbers around here.
Well, I got one on the front, but they don't get it.
Yeah. Yeah, Google put us over at your place there. Yeah, we're just trying to locate her so she can, you know, get back to life, get back to her kids, kick the habit. She's going
Kill
through
the
a rough
spotlight
time.
off of them.
Thank you.
That's what you call Hearts and Minds campaign. And also she came out because she thought it was cute. That's why. She was like, damn, did you see those two sexy bounty hunters? Maybe like, go check that. Sorry,
The younger woman's probably like, I think that might have been Patty Mayo. But he's not from around here. So.
If she's not her, she'll identify that she's not. She'll say, hey, miss, you look like someone that we're looking for. I don't want to alarm you, but I called out to my defendant, and you kind of looked.
Is that her?
Hey, miss, your name's not Brianna, is it? You know Brianna?
Yeah, I'm from jail, but she's not out here.
Not out here? She's not around here? Okay, sorry, you look for someone that, you look like almost identical to someone we were looking for. Sorry. Have a good night. Oh, what's the other guy's name? Chewy? Chiletti? Chocolate? Chad. Chaz.
No.
Chip. Chick. Chiwana. Chala. Chahuda? Shalon. Shalom? Shalom. Shalon. So Drake spotted a homeless camp over here, and we're just gonna go see if anybody's there and if they have seen our defendant. Yeah. Yeah. We're looking for Brianna. Yeah. Across the street where? Her mother's trying to get in touch with her. Because one of the kids is sick.
The only Bree I know would be across the street,
Hello? Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Hola. Señor.
Alex? Hey, Alex. Look, have you seen Brianna? Brianna? Not for a long time. Hey, you okay? In there? You're not in any trouble. We're just looking for Brianna.
We hear you inside. Hello?
Bree's not here.
Her mother's been trying to reach her because one of her kids is sick. Do you know where we can get in contact with her?
I thought Bree was at her dad.
Where at?
All right, sorry to bug you. If any guys see Brianna, just have her contact her mother, please. Thank you. We're not the police. Nobody's in trouble. We're looking for Brianna to give her a message from her mother. A kid's sick. You're not in any trouble. We're not the police. We're looking for Brianna because one of her kids is sick and her mother can't get in touch with her. I can't hear you, sir. Are you Alex? Do you know where she's at? Just so we can give her the message. Can you give her the message? The hotel with her dad? What hotel? Because her mother cannot get in touch with her.
Okay, thank you. Sorry to bug you. All right, stop breathing this shit in. So that's 2 people now that have independently said that she's with her dad. Yeah.
Right there, they got their own restroom. Bucky with the toilet seat.
You guys know Shalom? No? That's her boyfriend, I guess. Shalom or Alex? Alex Rodriguez?
I'll ask you, what's the easiest way out of here?
Yeah.
Same way you came.
Same way you came.
Or you guys can actually, you guys can go across the highway.
Oh, yeah.
That's
We
okay.
had to jump the fence, so.
Oh, you can just go right up here to underneath that second bridge.
Yeah.
Go up to the top, you can walk right across the highway, and the wall's busted out down there, and you can get back to the other side.
Thank you. Make sure you guys have good ventilation up there so you don't get carbon dioxide poisoning.
Start back into the overview. Where we're going, what we're doing.
We're calling
After a quarter of a
Hold on.
mile, turn left
Calling Brianna's
onto
mother right now to verify some
112th
information.
Avenue.
We have a hot lead on Brianna. We're gonna try to pick her up right now. The mother says that she's with one of her friends at a house over here doing her hair and makeup.
Hello.
Hi, Chris?
Yeah.
Hi, Chris. So, this is
Yeah.
After 0.2
So the-
miles, turn right
the
onto West
townhome that you gave us. You said it backs where you can see the corner of an or they're open or not, right?
The front porch.
Right.
Like the front door faces like in a southwest direction toward.
We're just pulling. We're just pulling.
It's kind of diagonal.
Okay, we're just pulling up now. If you want to just hang on the phone for 1 second in case we have a question as we're trying to locate it.
Yeah.
Is there?
Once you get out around to the front there, it's wide open. She can see all Snowy her front porch and her front windows.
Okay. What
That's
floor?
why I was telling you to come in from the east there. So yeah.
What floor is she on? Bottom floor or top floor?
She's on the bottom floor. She's on the very bottom.
Does her friend have a vehicle? Does her friend have a car?
I don't know if she's still got the car or not. She had a friend's car. It's like a little blue compact. I don't know what it is. It's an older car, kind of a beater, kind of a medium.
Is she on an
blue.
iPhone? Are you on an iPhone?
No.
Okay.
I'm on an Android.
Okay.
Do you see the driveway that I'm talking about?
We pulled in. We're
Just past the stop sign?
yeah. It's like a long driveway that goes all the way out and like all the way up to whatever road. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so if you go up that driveway, all the way to the end there's like a parking space on the right-hand side at the very end of it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Brianna. What's your name?
Brianna?
Brianna? Yeah, where's Brianna at?
We already know she's here.
She's not here. She's really not here.
Someone just don't mind if we take a look then?
No.
Okay. Someone come in and take a look. All right. Where is she?
She's not here.
When was she last here?
She was here about an hour and a half ago.
Where was she going?
To Walmart.
To Walmart?
Is she supposed to be coming back?
No, I don't know. She just said that she was gonna go to Walmart and she'd call me later.
Okay. Which Walmart is she going to? Did she have a ride?
No, she drove.
She drove. What was she driving?
I don't know.
Car or an SUV?
I didn't even see her. She came later, earlier in the day.
Was she with anybody?
No.
Okay. What's this little guy's name?
No, Gabbana.
Gabbana. What kind of drugs are you guys doing? I don't care.
Heroin and meth.
Was she doing heroin and meth?
Yeah.
And she's driving. Okay. Appreciate you. Let's check. She confirmed that they were doing heroin and meth tonight.
Yeah. Can you get a hold of her in some way, make her...
Does she have a phone?
She doesn't have a phone.
So she went down to Walmart. Is it SUV or car?
I don't know.
I'm not going to tell her where we got the information from.
She's in a... I really don't know what she's driving, but I think it's a truck.
Was she with Alex?
Yeah.
She was with Alex. Was it the red truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. Yeah.
That one or 128th.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Going to Walmart because the resident inside there let us in, and she stated that they were just smoking meth and heroin. So we know that she's high. She's also with her boyfriend Alex in the red Nissan truck, which is funny because when we first walked in, she didn't, actually know what kind of car she had. So she was reluctant to give information, but also gave us some valuable information. And hopefully she doesn't fucking call Alex.
Is it a he?
That's she's with another guy. She's like really skinny, got gauges in her ears.
I think she is a guy, actually.
Where?
Okay. She might be. I didn't get too close to her. She tried to avoid me.
Yeah, because she's gonna try to boost shit from you.
She wanted on a warrant.
And the male that she's with could be armed. So which area of the store? Do you have radio to him?
Yes.
You want to hang out at the... You want to get you back this way and I'll go with him?
All right.
Walmart security kid was a really nice kid. Led us right into the... well, first we went and looked at the aisles. Thought I might have spotted her. Wasn't her. And then we went back to the security room. We reviewed footage starting at about 12:30. Then we got to about 1 a.m. And then Drake called and said that we got to...
In the maroon, there's son, Titan driving right now, trying to find out where she's at or going.
Damn it, she split right before you got there. She's in a maroon Nissan Titan driving right now. She's trying to find... Wait. Split right before we got there. Wouldn't she be going to Walmart then? Bria has been known in the past to park behind the house itself so she can't be seen from the road, or in the second bar by pulling inside and sliding the door shut. Fuck. She's more likely to park behind the house. She won't want to get trapped in the barn and not be able to drive away. The driveway is the only way in and out, and you guys can go around both sides of the house and usually behind it. Trying to kill your headlights, go off the driveway. She'll be able to see them. Look for the one on the owl. I can send the drone out.
Yeah.
Block it out.
Jesus, I can't see shit.
She didn't shut the door yet.
Is that it right there?
Where?
Maroon truck right there by the...
It could be.
Oh, it looks like it.
Look inside that garage real quick. Sight. Back towards the truck.
Silver and maroon one.
Keep that spotlight on.
Shine on this one too.
Okay. Nothing.
Shine on the house, yeah. The Nissan fits there too.
Yeah.
She's out here.
She's probably in this truck right here. It's on. It's running. She's right here. She try to bust the window. A little bit closer. No, she's right there. Can I bust the window? Yeah, look. Yep. Yeah. Bust it, bust it. Bust it, bust it.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! It's not gonna be easy! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! You're gonna get shot! Open the door! Stand outside. Everything's okay. Stand outside. Come out. Outside, put your hands up against the vehicle. Hands up against the vehicle.
What's your name?
Brianna?
Rihanna? Rihanna, you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me?
I don't think so.
You don't think so, or you don't, or you know so?
No, honestly, I don't know. I don't think so.
If you have anything on you I need to worry about, let me know now, because if I get poked or something, there's gonna be a lot of fucking issues.
No, I don't.
What's in your pocket here?
I'm not sure.
Is straw? You smoking?
No,
We know you were smoking meth and heroin tonight.
I actually wasn't. But
Well, your constituents say otherwise.
Let's take a look at this, Patty. She wasn't doing shit. She's got it right here.
We're not gonna judge you, Brianna. Say otherwise.
Let's take a look at this, Patty. She wasn't doing shit. She's got it right here.
We're not gonna judge you, Brianna.
We're doing our
We
job.
don't care what we don't care. We don't care what drugs you do.
Yeah.
We don't care what's going on. We just don't want to get poked with it. You know what? I just saw one of your friends today. She had a bunch of heroin and meth all over the fucking table. You think I gave a shit? Nope.
well,
I don't really care. I just care that, honestly, we want to get you back in jail because we want you to be a better mother for your kids.
I mean, you sold some shoes that you can take the tags off of?
no, because I didn't. I don't know.
You're gonna clean this bullshit up.
Kill the truck.
Your life's not over.
Where'd you get this truck from?
A friend of mine.
It's stolen, right? Okay, it's hot. You know it's hot. Just don't lie to us. Brianna, look at me. We're not the police. We're the bail bonds company. We are not going to charge you with additional bullshit, okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
This one?
Oh.
But if you keep lying to us, I have no problem having the sheriff come down here and grab all your meth and heroin, all the shit out of the truck. You're in a stolen truck, all that bullshit.
So damn cold out here.
Yeah, it is.
Are you okay? Did you get any glass in your face?
She has glass all in her hoodie.
Yeah.
Let's check your face.
Do you need medical?
No, I don't think so.
You not cut anywhere?
We're just
We're
gonna
gonna try to shake this.
We're gonna shake up. We're gonna shake your hoodie out. And we're gonna give it back to you.
There's glass pieces all down in my shirt.
Yeah, we'll have to take our cuffs off. We'll have to shake them out.
Right, I'm gonna take the cuffs off. Do not try to make any sudden movements or anything like that, okay?
I'm not going to.
You ready to be done running?
Yeah, I didn't even want to run in the first place. It wasn't even my intention. The only reason I missed court was because my kids' dad just died. And I didn't go to court because I was
Where are your kids?
there.
And where are you? Not with you, right?
Well, not right now, no.
Never with you. You're barely ever with your kids.
I don't know about that, but okay.
Well, you can't be a good mother if you're out doing heroin and meth and running from the police and riding around in stolen trucks, right?
Very careful. Shake the back of your shirt. You got some glass on the back of your shirt and on your pants.
Can you guys see it? Or in my hair, even?
Just a little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit up here.
Oh my god, it's so fucking cold.
I know, we're gonna-
I'm gonna say fuck it and let it cut me. I really don't care.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna be picking it up for a minute.
Oh.
Try not to cut you. So what's in your back pocket here? I can see something sticking out here. Something.
I have a card, I think, in there.
Yeah, it's a card. You have your ID on you?
No, I actually lost my ID like
All right.
3 weeks
I'm gonna use my flashlight to knock this piece of glass off of your
rear.
ass here, okay?
You want to just do it?
Yeah,
If you
go
want
for
to do
it.
it, go ahead.
Where?
It's right here in the middle.
Right in the middle there.
Okay, hold on.
So there you go. Yeah. Didn't want you to get that in the booty there.
Can I get my other jacket though?
This one right here?
Yeah,
Yeah, you want to throw that one?
over. Or want I put this one under?
You just want to take this one with you?
No, can I put it on, actually?
Yeah, is there anything in it?
No, I don't think so.
I will check it. We're gonna send you a location,
Oh, shit.
and you'll have to come out here.
There should be another jacket.
Is this
Or a
right?
hoodie.
Do a location,
Oh, shit.
and you'll have to come out here.
There should be another jacket.
Is this
Or a
right?
hoodie. Well, I meant like a small hoodie right there.
That
Maybe
one?
not.
It's gonna have glass.
Oh, yeah, okay, never mind.
You want
Never
your phone?
mind.
You want your phone?
Yes, please.
Jake, let's cover in the front. Okay. You cool with that? Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, let's put this on for you. Here, give me your arms. Just, you know. I'm going to give Rip the location. I'll grab the phone out of the car. Just going to check the pockets. I don't want you going down to jail with anything and picking up an additional charge. You know what I mean?
All right.
Just put this, get this done with. Get the shit put behind you. And just never do
Can
it.
I-
Just never do it again.
Call my mom.
Yes, absolutely.
Please?
Yep. Just double lock these on and cinch it. I'll get you in the car real quick. Okay, you have nothing hidden in your bra or your underwear. Again, if you have drugs on you, I don't care. I'll get rid of it. I'll throw it away. I just don't want to see you get a fucking felony charge when you go down to jail because they're going to search everywhere. You know that?
Right.
Okay. Nothing?
No, I don't.
Nothing in your head? Nothing, right?
No.
Okay. What's this? Are you thinking about driving off?
Hey guys. Oh, downhill.
Who's the other guy?
The other guy,
There's two guys in there.
I don't know. Maybe Alex is with him. Honestly, they could have got here after me. All I know is that Roach was here. I didn't know that Alex was here. If he is here, I don't know. I can't see.
She said it might be Alex. What's in that little thing? Ice? That little container that he pulled out?
Yeah.
Oh, my fingers.
Did you guys grab my phone?
Matt, I can fit in the trunk. You don't need to go in the trunk. All right. Do we need to grab your phone?
Please.
Drake, let me out so I can come with you.
Did you guys not wake him up?
No, because I'm afraid that if he has a gun or a weapon or he fucking drives to the car, we're gonna shoot out and fucking kill people. So we're gonna take you and leave them. Take that as a fucking gift.
Thank you.
You wanna leave this fucking ice here or what?
Yeah, that's not ours. We can crush it.
We'll crush it. Okay. Fucking bury that bitch right here. No, out here. Dump that shit. Fucking smoke that, you dipshits. All right, let's go.
What's the matter?
Huh?
What's the matter?
No, we just want to get out of here.
Oh, you guys all look so scared.
No, we're cold.
I was like,
Oh, cold. I'm getting rid of your ice.
I told him to, knock on the window, whatever, try to wake him up to tell him. But they didn't want, one of them to have a gun or to throw the truck and drive by surprise and freak out and smash me and all them. And yeah, so you should probably go down there, ASAP.
No one expects you to kick a habit overnight, but don't go destroying your life before you do. Because then you can get yourself off drugs. You can't get yourself off multiple felony charges.
Right, that is true.
You can see your kids and you can be a mom and you can have a full happy life with your kids and have smoked meth and smoked dope. You can do all that shit. But you can't be a very good mother if you're sitting there for 20 years, 15 years, 5 years. You miss the best years of your kid's life.
That is true.
Are you just not ready to quit?
it's that, and it's just part of having an addiction, yeah.
Because your life was pretty straight a few years ago, right?
Oh, yeah. Smile when you walk in the door.
Where's you people?
Well, you're gonna smile because you're gonna leave this place in better shape than you went in, right?
Probably in like a day.
I'm kind of hungry. I wish we went to McDonald's.
I know, right? Let's go.
Just kidding, guys.
You know what? She'll be back.